Yeah, man. Yeah, this is Joshua's programming. This is a new playlist called HTML tutorials. Just like the Java ones that I'll be doing, I'm gonna have interview questions, projects, and much more on this one. Obviously, I'm gonna keep it very simple as we start out on tutorial one, with a basic idea on what headings are, what paragraphs are, the doc type, titles, just basic HTML. And after that we'll go into CSS over here and JavaScript. Alright, but for now on I'm gonna keep it on HTML, keep it basic, and after we learn all the stuff that needs to be learned, I'll make little projects and I'll just show off my stuff, and I'll also have interview questions, right? So I'm gonna keep it really basic. Hopefully I am the way that I explain this is really simple and not too ambiguous like some people, right? So let's get into it and start with doc type, right? So the way you'll see, I think, is an exclamation mark next to it, but on over here it works as this, right? So doc type is a document, right? We always start off with the doc type. After that we have HTML, and it begins with a starting tag and an ending tag. How you end it, you do the same thing but with a slash, like that, backspace that, enter it, backspace, right? After that we're gonna have the body, like that, and if you want you can have the head. You don't really need to, but have it anyway. And within the head you can have a title. So you see on Google, right, you might go on to a website, and it has the title of the website on the top of the URL. You can have a title over here, and we can call it HTML tutorial 1. And if you were to post this on your document and open it as a Chrome, you will see this title. Whatever you've written in it, you will see that title on the URL or whatever on the website. Right? It isn't the URL actually. It is the top part of Chrome where you can see all your other tabs. It's in that sort of area, yeah. So that's that all being said. And now I want to go and talk about H1 and P1, which is the heading and paragraph tag. So H1 is obviously the heading. Hold on. Boom. Yeah. Want to write this is a heading. I'm not sure why it cut off. And we can do this is a paragraph, like that. And what we can do is run it, and this is the document. This is a heading and a paragraph. Now you can see that heading is in bold, and it's got big text font on it, and paragraph is just a basic paragraph font, and there's no bold on there, right? But what you can do, you can have multiple H1s, or let's say you can have H2 and then H3 up to H6. Obviously as you go down to H6 it's going to get smaller and smaller, right? Okay. Yeah. A heading 2. Let's copy and paste this real quick. Copy, paste, paste, and edit. Let's go to 6. Alright. And we can run this code. This is heading 2, 3, and 6. So before it gets smaller, as you go down from H1 to H6, and let's go and actually never mind. For paragraphs, there's no P1, P2, so it's the same thing, right? And lastly, what we can do as well, we have something called HIEF. Now what this is for links. So we can put a link directly to Google.com, and we can press, or we can say press link for Google, right, like that. That should work, I think. If not, we'll just edit it. Yeah, you end it with this right here. So all you gotta do is just memorize how this looks like, and you should be good. Yeah. Obviously it won't work for me if I press this link, but you guys get the point. And yeah, that should be it, man. So that's it for tutorial 1. As always, like, subscribe, comment, share, and keep on programming. Yeah, peace out.